Good morning, student. How are you? And now, today we will start class 9 science chapter 5 part 6. The chapter name is Fundamental Unit of Life, and today we will discuss the first cell organella, endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi apparatus. You know, the endoplasmic reticulum is the cell organella which is present in the cytoplasm, and the short form of endoplasmic reticulum is E capital and R capital. ER is the endoplasmic reticulum. What is endoplasmic reticulum? It is a cell organella which is in form of a large network of membrane bound in tubes and sheets. It means it is membrane bound, means look like as a plasma membrane. It has a membrane bound in form of sheets or in form of tubes. Tubes like cylindrically tube like these tubes. It means it is the membrane bound. It means having the shape of a. It is similar to the plasma membrane, and these membrane are in form of sheets or in form of tubes, which are look like, and this will be look like how. Look like as long tubules, means like a long tubes, and round or oblong bags, vesicles like a sac gap. These are the endoplasmic reticulum which look like in this shape, but it is a membrane bound structure. But it is similar to the plasma membrane. Structure of this structure of endoplasmic reticulum is similar to the plasma membrane. This is the characteristics or the structure of the plasma or endoplasmic reticulum. It is similar to the plasma membrane, and it is the membrane bound structure in form of sheets or in form of tubules. And this will be look like how it look like. It look like as a long tubules and round and vesicles. Vesicles is the gap, sac SAC. There are two type of endoplasmic reticulum. First is RER, second is SER. RER rough endoplasmic reticulum, SER smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There are two type of endoplasmic reticulum. First is RER rough endoplasmic reticulum, SER smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum means it look like rough. It means surface of this endoplasmic reticulum is rough. Why it is rough? Due to the presence of ribosome. It means rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosome, and due to the presence of the substance ribosome, its structure is rough. And its structure is similar to vesicles like a oblong bags, and it look like rough due to the presence of the ribosome. Ribosome is present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, and due to the presence of ribosome on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, it look like rough surface, and therefore its name is rough endoplasmic reticulum. It synthesize or manufacture protein. RER rough endoplasmic reticulum is synthesized protein, help in preparation, help in manufacturing of protein, and also help to transfer the protein to different cell as per their needs. As the cell required the amount of protein, the endoplasmic reticulum of RER type of RER send dispatch which will transfer the protein to the cell as per their requirement. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it look like rough surface due to the presence of ribosome, and due to the presence of ribosome is also synthesized protein, but rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize protein, and it is in form of a vesicles, and also it help to circulate the protein, amount of protein to the cell as per their needs. And second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the second type of endoplasmic reticulum. It is made up of vesicles, which is a oblong bags, but it is in form of tubes, made up of tubes, and this is helping fat and lipid molecule lipids. It synthesize, it manufacture fats, molecule lipids. It synthesize, it form lipids, and this is SER help in the process of membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis. It help in SER help in membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis means there is a formation of the cell membrane by using the protein and lipid. Protein and lipid, when they are used as to form the cell membrane or the plasma membrane, it is known as membrane biogenesis. Ribosome is absent. On the SER, ribosome is absent due to absence of ribosome in endoplasmic reticulum. It look like smooth, therefore it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum made up of tubules and help in manufacturing of fats, molecule, lipid. And second, the process which is used in the process of membrane biogenesis, and ribosome is absent. What is the membrane biogenesis? Membrane biogenesis, the protein and lipid which help in building the cell membrane. Building of the cell membrane. In building the cell membrane means formation of the cell membrane, because cell membrane or plasma membrane is composed of protein and lipid. It means the protein and lipid which help in building or formation of cell membrane or plasma membrane. This is only formed with the help of SER. Membrane biogenesis means formation of the cell membrane which is used protein and lipid. It means protein and lipid help in formation of the cell membrane, and that is done by the SER. Therefore, it help in the process of membrane biogenesis. And what are the function of this endoplasmic reticulum? First, which is same, means synthesize what is protein, fats, lipid, steroid and cholesterol. These are the function of means to manufacture, to synthesize. First function, only the cell organella which serve as a channel for the transport of material between the various regions of the cytoplasm and between cytoplasm and nucleus. Means here the cell nucleus, between the nucleus and cytoplasm, it act as a channel. This is the only the cell organella which serve as a channel. Means channel is the part which help to transport, means through which the material can be transported. It is a cell organella, only cell organella which act as a channel for transport of the material within the cytoplasm, inside the cytoplasm or within the cytoplasm, or in material in between nucleus and the plasma or cytoplasm, nucleus and cytoplasm, mean inside and outside. Second function is function as a cytoplasmic framework. It acts as a framework, means which make a frame which increase the surface area. Mean give the surface for the some biochemical activities of the cell. It gives the framework for the surface. It form a surface for the cell to perform the some biochemical activity. Mean the cell can perform the some biochemical activity. For this, it provide the surface or the framework. Second, help in synthesize protein, fat, steroid and cholesterol. Cholesterol, you know it very well, which is present inside our body, and steroid is also a chemical substance which is the carbon part made up of carbons. These are the help in synthesize. They help in protein, fats, or synthesize steroids and cholesterol. Last is SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is help to or play the important role. SER smooth endoplasmic reticulum play an important role or help in क्या detoxification of means some poisonous substance or the some drugs which are present inside the body which can be formed by as a byproduct form inside the body that help to detoxification mean detoxification of drugs and poisonous substance byproduct that will be done by the SCR help to detoxification to remove the toxic substance from like poisonous or drugs which form by as a byproduct. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. And next one is two type. And now if the question will ask what is protein synthesized, not ribosome, it is only either endoplasmic reticulum or RER, because RER is the part of endoplasmic reticulum, so we can synthesize rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER. And membrane biogenesis means when protein and lipid which is used help in the formation of the process in which protein and lipid help in formation of cell membrane. This is known as membrane biogenesis. And next cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is discovered by Emilio Golgi, which consists of a system of membrane bound vesicles means gap sac SAC arranged approximately parallel to each other in form of a stack which is known as cistern. Second, material synthesized. The material which is synthesized, which is formed or which is manufactured near ER, that material to be transport by the Golgi apparatus. Material synthesized near endoplasmic reticulum is packed and transport or dispatched to the various target inside or outside the cell by the Golgi apparatus. Here is endoplasmic reticulum is also act as a transporting channel, but Golgi apparatus is also help to transport the material. Endoplasmic reticulum is within the cytoplasm or between nucleus and cytoplasm, but Golgi apparatus is also help in packaging and dispatching of the substance which is synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum. The substance or the material which synthesized which manufactured by the endoplasmic reticulum near about the reticulum, and that material is packed and dispatched by the Golgi apparatus to all the in or outside the cell, means inside the cell or outside the cell. It is a difference. And now what is its function? It stored. First, Golgi apparatus help in storage, in packaging and in dispatching of the material inside or outside the cell. It means if any modification required, then it modified. Golgi apparatus modified the substance and also modification, storage and packaging of the product. If any product to be storage and to be packed and to be dispatched or any modification required in that product, that is done by the Golgi apparatus. Second, in some cases the complex sugar like starch that can be made from the simple sugar, by Golgi apparatus. It means Golgi apparatus in some cases form a complex sugar from the simple sugar, means simple sugar converted into complex sugar. In some cases that will be done by the Golgi apparatus. Second, it involved in the formation of the lysosome. It help and in another cell organella which is lysosome, and it is the secretary of the cell. Golgi apparatus is the secretary, means which activity performed. Secretary means which organized all the program, function, and they therefore Golgi apparatus organized. It help in storage of the material, it help in packaging of the material, it help in modification of the material, it help in transport of the material. It mean it organize all the function within the cell or outside the cell, inside or outside the cell. It do the maximum function inside or outside the cell. Therefore, it is also called the secretary. Its nature is secretary, means to do much more function as compared to other. This is the second cell organella, and the first one is endoplasmic reticulum, second one is Golgi apparatus, and next the cell organelle we will study, read in next class. We revise and do revision properly. Please, I request you, the book exercise question or any question given to you by me that you can solve, or from any sources which is in your syllabus, within your syllabus you can do. Please go through these question notes and do it properly and use your time in a proper way. And next cell organelle we will discuss in the next class.